Hello everyone, I am Dr Sonali Chaturvedi. I am the clinical psychologist at Arete Hospitals Gachibowli. What happens when things don't turn according to you? You want someone to follow your instructions, but they don't do that. You want things to be happening according to what the set pattern you have decided, but they are always not according to you. Then what happens? You feel angry. This emotion of annoyance, this emotion of irritation, which is anger, it is sometimes healthy, but it soon overpowers if it is not controlled. So it is always said, control anger before it controls you. In anger, actually the first victim is the person who is getting angry, because this emotion, you have the blood pressure is on rise, you feel irritated constantly because you are not able to control your anger, and then it hampers you in your work life, in your personal life, everywhere there is some sort of discordance which happens. So for that we need to practice few steps. If we see that yes, this anger is making us suffer in our day-to-day life, what all we can do? If you think this anger is getting beyond your control, first thing is practice pause. Think before you speak, because words cannot be taken back. When you are angry, sometimes in order to hurt your loved ones or in your workplace, you say those things which you regret later on. So first thing is practice pause. Think before you speak. Secondly, understand your triggers. Try to write down your triggers. What are your triggers which make you feel this negative emotion so strongly? It could be just something happening in your house, or maybe in your office, or maybe sometimes in the traffic lights. Try to write them, so then you can focus on them and try to correct that. Learn deep breathing exercises. Whenever you are too angry and you are unable to control your words, do deep breathing. First of all, it distracts you. It is the time to take a pause as well. It will not lead to those words which you really don't want to speak. It will give you time to think about it. Fourthly, try to cut down on the expectations. Your expectations are the major reason for the anger, because we have decided something should happen according to this template, and when it doesn't happen according to that, we feel angry. So try to cut down on those expectations. You should try to divert your mind somewhere else, something more productive, because when we are focused on one thing and it is not happening according to us, the anger persists for a longer period of time. Though anger is a normal human emotion, but any normal human emotion, if we are holding on to for a longer period of time, then it becomes unhealthy. So practice something else, divert your mind in something else, something more productive. That will help you to get rid of the negative anger. Try to talk it out. Try to discuss with that person the reason for those angers. Don't try to just express it in a violent way and then just leave it like that. There's an instance, if there's a trigger which you think can be addressed, sit down, talk it out, so that for the next time the other person should also know your perspective and this situation will not arise. And if at all you feel that this anger is affecting your personal life, the relationships are getting affected, then seek out help. Don't try to just let it be like that. There are people who can help you out with that, your loved ones, there are therapy, you can take a therapy according to that, and control your anger. Thank you.